Hi my loves, how are ya? Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make this Greek inspired hair updo but without using any headbands. So begin by making a parting, brushing our crown section backwards like I'm showing. Then you want to select a section from one side of the parting like I'm showing, and we will create with it a simple 3-strand braid. Make sure that it will reach the back of your head like I'm showing here, and then you want to repeat this braid on the other side as well. Like so. And now we want to remove the elastics and tie them both together in the back like I'm showing, like so. Now we want to loosen a little bit the crown, and then you want to select a tiny section from one side and bring it to the upper loop of the braid like I'm showing here. But also don't forget to bring it down back like so. Now with this section and adding more hair, we want to bring it through the second upper loop of the braid like I'm showing, and you want to continue these steps over and over until you have no more loops and you reach the elastic. I'll suggest you to make a loose braid. Don't make it too tight because you'll have a lot of sections, and this is actually very hard to do. And we want to repeat these steps on the other side as well. At this point, when we are near our elastic, we want to grab all our hair, smoothing it out with our hands, or you want to use a brush if you want. Grab the elastic and bring all the hair through it. Now, with the remaining hair, you want to tuck it into the created updo like I'm showing. If there are any hair sticking out, make sure to pin it in place. I want to leave some hair out like I did here. You want to pin it if you need. Hairspray it, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this romantic updo. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.